If you're over 60 and noticing a drop in your performance, if your energy feels drained, your drive has faded, and your confidence in the bedroom just isn't what it used to be, let me tell you something important. It's not just aging, and you're not alone. But more importantly, you're not powerless. Because what feels like a natural part of growing older might actually be something simple and fixable. Here's the part most doctors never tell you. Millions of men over 60 are walking around every day low on critical vitamins, nutrients that directly impact testosterone, blood flow, and nerve sensitivity. The result? Low energy, weaker erections, loss of sensation, even emotional burnout and irritability. But here's the good news. With the right vitamins in your system, everything can change. Today, we're revealing 3 essential vitamins every man over 60 should know. The ones that can help you regain your energy, restore your bedroom performance, and rebuild your confidence from the inside out. No prescriptions, no sketchy supplements, no hype. Just science-backed solutions your body is craving and that you can start using right now to feel stronger, younger, and more in control. Before we dive in, do this for your future self. Tap that like button to support the channel and help more men find this vital information. Hit subscribe to join our growing community here on YouTube, where we give you practical, science-backed tools to help you stay sharp, steady, and strong through your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Because let's be honest, you've still got a lot of life to live, and it's time to live it at full power. Now, let's get into it. 1. Vitamin D, the testosterone trigger. Let's kick things off with one of the most underrated powerhouse nutrients out there, vitamin D. You've probably heard it called the sunshine vitamin, but inside your body, it behaves more like a hormone, one that plays a direct role in testosterone production. Here's the math. Low vitamin D equals low testosterone. And low testosterone, that means low energy, low drive, and low confidence. But here's the catch. After 60, your body produces less vitamin D, especially if you're not getting regular sun or you're skipping foods like salmon, egg yolks, or fortified dairy. The good news? Studies show that just 1,000 to 3,000 IU of vitamin D per day can significantly raise both total and free testosterone, the kind your body actually uses to fuel performance, motivation, and mood. Here's what you can do. Step outside for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Eat more fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy. Consider a safe supplement, but check with your doctor first. When your testosterone is firing on all cylinders, you'll feel it in your energy, your attitude, and yes, your bedroom performance. 2. Vitamin B12, the nerve and sensation booster. Next up, a vitamin that's essential for feeling everything, literally. Vitamin B12. This nutrient fuels your nervous system and supports healthy blood circulation. 2 systems that directly affect physical sensation, reaction times, and arousal. But as you age, your stomach produces less acid, which means you stop absorbing B12 efficiently, even if you're eating the right foods. That can lead to numbness or tingling, slower reflexes, and yes, less sensitivity and pleasure in intimate moments. These aren't just old age symptoms. They're signals your body might be running low on B12. Here's how to fix it. Eat more beef liver, tuna, sardines, eggs, and dairy if you tolerate it. If you're vegetarian or have absorption issues, talk to your doctor about a B12 supplement. A simple blood test can reveal if you're deficient, and correcting it can make a huge difference in how alive and responsive you feel. This small vitamin has a big impact, not just in the bedroom, but in your energy, coordination, and everyday confidence. 3. Vitamin E, the blood flow enhancer. And now, let's talk about a circulation superstar that too many men overlook. Vitamin E. Yes, it's often labeled a skin vitamin, but deep inside your body, it plays a crucial role in vascular health and blood flow, which directly impacts erection strength and stamina. As we age, oxidative stress starts damaging our blood vessels. That makes arteries stiffen and restricts the smooth flow your body needs, especially below the belt. Vitamin E acts like an antioxidant bodyguard. It protects your blood vessels, helps reduce plaque buildup, and supports the elasticity of your arteries. Better circulation equals better performance. It's that simple. And if you're concerned about reproductive health, vitamin E also helps protect sperm cells and supports hormone balance. Two important factors for men over 60. Where to get it? Eat more nuts and seeds, almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts. Use healthy oils, sunflower, wheat germ. Add spinach, Swiss chard, avocados, and kiwis to your meals. If you're falling short, a 200 to 400 IU daily supplement can help. Just be cautious if you're on blood thinners or heart meds. Always check with your doctor first. Quick recap. Let's bring it all together. Vitamin D powers testosterone and drive. Vitamin B12 restores sensation and nerve function. Vitamin E boosts circulation and supports strong, lasting erections. Together, these vitamins can help you rebuild your foundation from the inside out, naturally, safely, and effectively. But remember, no single vitamin works in isolation. Real results come from daily movement, whole foods, quality sleep, and managing stress. Because after 60, strength isn't about chasing youth, it's about building resilience, power, and control as you age. Final thought. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more science-backed tips for men over 60, and drop a 100% in the comments if you're ready to fuel your body from within. Stay strong, stay sharp, stay in control, and I'll see you in the next one.